monyamu shebiano ni enije bie wo mu ni obi ache.
Okay.
But and you say in the process of doing it, besides, who name against that joy you have? Who name against that project you want to do? And why don't you work hard behind closed door? To say ni say any monyamusha onyame de besho.
For me, Mamo Aquaba ever too much GH video so Nana Ama Owusia Eddie Medina Dano the air trendy our social media no and day esomo ewe video eso na Mira and Semno Emuno our whole sem say our there's a social media for area that so to me say no woman and that says assembly no bet me AC ewo emretia emu say na make no eye Ghana nearby be what UK and a jumedie wata edi ewo social media so at the sama they go for do na ehunu wo hunu pa mo pena se mo fa omo sa follow no na make abayo and dey edi Nicole Thea na ubehu na eye Instagram and wata edi na jumedie do na ewo na wafa yefu they say wo hwe nim se wo be wo ne ba ma already na crowd to the in rain na ise na ye kanu obi ni mo china sem fofie anto ata adechie eni emunsem Saturday anobatututu ena ebeto odwase abayo no wole de ba wo ye funua no wo ma hwere wo mo enkwan na eno no ye neja wo no ena de beto dwa through onu agasa ni Instagram post na say ena wo tro ne nsem no Exp0ses. To all Nicole's friends and supporters, it is with great sadness that I have to inform you that Nicole and her son, she and Boga named Rain, sadly passed away on Saturday morning. After Nicole pre-scheduled a few YouTube videos, and Boga has made their decision to allow them to be aired. As a family, we ask that you give us privacy because our hearts are truly broken and we are struggling to cope with what has happened. Thank you, her mom. R.I.P. my beautiful baby girl, Nick Nack, and my grandson Rain. I will miss you for the rest of my life until we meet again in the internal heaven. Sir, and what your elder told me say, I remove pan and so bend there about time. As a mercy, now so bet me, add the atudam will be at me at him. Now, what can a son social media for Ariate, our room say, about your dear, and can have a monobrow. Obi anani agye no ho ade se wafa ye fo obe wo ne ba emritia we mu anu wetimi afa no wewusa no eya wero se eno enna eye Nigerian popular journalist and the Kemi olonloyu ono so ede ne de abetu dwa se dabi enya da na wo wani ja wenya no eye wo bi so anije na da ne da no enko for personal issues here the social media na nyinsen fida ofa ye fun ebeti da akla na obewu no munu kra de ato okro betwa mo picture etwa hu video e de beto am self video so obi arebi no hu de ekoso na no advice say enye bakubakubako say na no hu so and so and ya sha say ayehu na say and wo chro wo brofo ekasem wo say not everyone is happy for you. Stop exposing your personal pregnancy on social media. Na ensem we ene de keka hunte matonsa e de afrem mi agasa menua ba Woba Mercy, woman na enkomono ye ntwetwe enu tije bre ye twan ho e de abasesia.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
So Emma mo akwaba biem. Oba Mercy akwaba.
Meje osumini aba.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adom.
Oba Mercy. Na say ye hu say aye normal trend. I said the aba so no. Obia e fa ye fun a. Woko bibia e friend photo shot na baby bump ni e twa. Na ubun say ye fun e na tua o tin na efuma no so ba no. Na eye tin ni ani e twa o picture say the two abonten no sa ade no fa so ben na wo so.
Maybe abameda was no question.
Okay.
Nemo. Mena makonya yuso. Echia too much etie for ni ahwefo nyina. Your #1 lawyer incredible channel. Mini aba. Asemi a wo kan yi die. Say they are only trending no. And only trending but a very bad attitude. A very bad attitude to the me hu nkrofo bi celebrities bi ana me buo mo pa to me. E di ade we betu social media. Se nkrofo buo mo ho akonta. Enye ade a eya ade papa. Tete no, won se no munyi nche.
No kre.
Date no munyi nche because no omu nyansa. Say modelization. Ye ko ye in 21st century. Emo enu mo so na ye sorry to say. Ye jimi ya hu too much. Because ni awu ye no you are all the whole life to danger mu. Enye obi eni ena ye any kind. So social media share number of people who share social media. And this is generation ye need privacy o. Ye need privacy, ye need self-respect bia, ye need self-control bia because of maybe the social media and trending. Banka tete no se na ye omo ewo mo se na omo di omo dija no. Omo di omo dija wonyansa kwan mu hardly say oba wa fa yefun de won ho ba to say naked say. Then I will person will free amount for efa dear nyansa semu ben e be free mo aba. E wo ade na wo ye ni.
Na se wa fa ye fun ni age ho. Enti meni age de me mama nsan ye hu se ye twa picture ye sra de be tie ko fun say ni age.
One thing in life. Emily Pankoso. I believe in one thing. Say, who ye bibia? Ade ni wie peye. Ansa na enimonyam hye bia no ni enije bia wo mu ni obi ache.
Okay.
But enye say in the process of doing it, besides unim nyoye against that joy you have. Unim nyoye against that project you want to do. And why don't you work hard behind closed door to say yin say enimonyam sha onyame de be show. Enti anka beye se wo don ho besie na owu wie efa wo ho efa wo ba onyame adom mu a na woni obi ache wani monyam ana wani je nanso sesi ade ente sa ye nim bibi ti se ye boy ye ho ban ye hwe ye ho yie eni wo ni ye de bibi adadeja odadem suna ne nan egu abonten ye ya ne ye de ye intasem Emma obi nso som edi nyayen enti saa na me hu no say ye fun na ye faida me hu bi me ye shock because we see when how could this be so how could this be nipa no order ordering in fact order the sumie so but I wonder say Incorporating how many so 1 year son, and me boom celebrity. They also participated, but almost there no. Dear Nyansa Kakabi who only say, almost be a yeno. And now, almost two, but still, it was very wrong because me boom sell me in before. What must me boom sell me in Nyansa for? It me wounds and me say, and they so be a no be a. Obia to me bibia anytime.
Na we share system ni se sia. Enkofo dodo na me nka celebrity tasem but enkofo dodo na oma adopt trend we ya tete wonyema na do twa photo shooting sa ma na omo ye bi no. Usemu a among 100 no enye mu ko enye bi kra wo mu ka no 5 of or 10 of those women now don't move from better abontenum. We will await either say or ko we and when yanima. And I say or ko no ne banya ehre wo mo enkwa. Die na esi and I say met ma connect e wo photo na wo de beto abonten de ama saa ensusanso na ba wo kire say we kwa wo no enya ne ba odi ni picture beto dwa no ko wo no enya ne ba na we so ko wo no wa hwe no ka se na eye Nicole Thea ni de so esi ayeka wa asem sisi ano
mini aba enu nti na mi di kan ka se enye eni bia na ye ni papa enti wo odi wo beto so no odi wa deja na abeto so odi wo kra na abeto so odi wo na abeto so enti se wo kra na nya din na se wo wo na so nya din obi o tenchem bia atumi ye wo na one thing na ese di hye ti mu se nipa bia wani je nya obi anije
okay
enye nya ye wani je na ye obi mpe ma enti se wo fie be ye kra benya wa age se wo na wo bie wo ho kwan ma no na oborem no benya wo Adam and Eve bonsam owo no ogina Eve anoso onya information na odi ye nia oye no saa na nipa bia to do ho to adeja we eye privacy eye agent sanke pie kra but odi abeto wa ma wona obenya wo no oma bo ewrem aba be ye den aba benya the time this celebrating the year example ne say omo ye enkrofo a obi ahwe wo
no correct
enti say celebrating bi be ye sa obi efi say normal because obi odi mu de wiase afa ne ye nimu ne de na oya ade de na say ye normal ye si ye hwe so ne ye bi but say wo hwe me a enye normal say wo be ye sa de we bi a wo don ho ato adeja okra anya din a minia awo no eye obuo ne nkwa de wo fa ye fu a eye different world na wo
okay
by fonya or very ban the whole world become against you if we don't know. Yes, wo fa ye fu a you are not one person, you are two person. Enti so who say ritualist na ni won ho abaifu ani won ho nipa bi so ani na nya encounter on pa wa asem na ni won ho obi enya oba na obere no na obi enya wo so obese wo enti who open that door obi abetimi aba in aba bese wo enti nyinsen eyobuo ne nkwade enti se ye fa ye fu a ye fa ye wontete ne nyame onsueye ewo ne mremu
onsueye ewo ne mremu oba mesi wunim se ye fufei enkofo bi se na wo kan se celebrities bi de betu dwa ni se no enkofo bi de je deals advertisement deals so be ambassador dia mo bi bo hu odi ni ye fu ato on picture we twa keke no bo na enkofo of friend no onya hu sika enu ntie no na akoso a promote na ama che se enkofo so ade ato because uja o picture na efe na obi be fro na ode eduma bi beto eni mo ba kro be wo no ko be ma na eduma bi aye na enu na be sika de ama wa na enu na de tira ho join ni
okay say with that intention there na me can say Jimmy Semopan
Jimmy Sempa
pa because your life is precious than that money. Your baby is precious than that money. Enti office promotion ana bibi esi woni so a painting no wo ene eja sa sika na then when you're free because this thing you can die out of it. Won't say ye nua bayi wahwe ne nkwa enti se sika no de yes na sika bi a onya wo social media ene ma ne yes sa sika no timi use ye
asem no be sell
sa sika no so ntimi use we lose bibia we lose wo sika no so e ma wo yes sa sika no so we lose sika no enti na enyansade na yes wo yes na sa ejimisem
Mama fa comments bi entwem the comments ni twem bia na ya to aso we efi Jotman ne dia about say we are in shock landing has been shaken. This girl was truly loved. Such an individual, and she was building her union with her partner. God knows best. Rest in perfect peace, Nicole and baby Wayne. Otumi sɛ ɔmo so ayɛ ɔmo ya paa. Wei so efiri Serif ne deɛ wɔde abɔ say giving birth and staying alive is not easy, but we take it for granted. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Wei so efiri Trudy ne deɛ wɔde abɔ say I said this is so sad. Upon all the excitement and happiness this woman had when she was pregnant, damn, God will not let this happen to anyone in my family. Confidence clothing dear to me the chat to okra was say this is so sad. RIP to the dead. Please don't show your testimony to the world yet if it's not complete. Not everyone wish you well, but you can disagree to this anyways. Once a okay, I'm saying no no boss I'll say and you will be and a wallpaper will be any genty say oh what that's the no say CPR a fan chere ewiase for nanya. Na se see so maybe adopted how they say yeah omudi twa mo hu ye nim say ye nananom no mo ka asem bi say oba akra wo fa yefu a we fu mampo se say wo ma ne nkyere e watare a wo hye mu mpo no obi ehu say we fu mani na otimi efa so de ye bibi e wo abrabom na enu no eye suatra ene ye nya sesi a e ma ye da ne ye nya mani so ana say nananom ade omo kai no efu to no de man ne emunye mba bia fa ma ye ntina esi ankofo movie on no mo yesa
One say of late youth ayaba no yensua de ade nso yesua ne ade a enye Bible say lack of knowledge with my name called biblical.
okay
One say point go on my name jina so or say lack of knowledge my people perish. So youth ayaba they do things out of lack of knowledge. Omo fanya santo. And ignorance is not an excuse. Say ekoba se ukotu amofo cry ya na they don't pay attention. What abeka no ka tro mu say bibi say nye no pay ne sawo na ye beji atuma onipa ohun no kro ka kire wo no ono no pay wo yie enti of late youth and generation na yaba no we learn our lesson from
after the
experience.
Okay.
We learn it from experience. Yeah, ma won enkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn ansa na yakwa kotom. Because ye ntie. But ye kotom wi ani akasa I know. It's always at last. Until we don't learn. And we do things out of ignorance. And yet he said, "Uri me kodia. Uri mu be so if of late no kreno bebre de to obehwe wa say kona kwari meko na ori mu so nsuo generation aban yeah enti we ya ye kasa fa win obi be ignore still you see people doing it but before they will realize now you're too late you can't do anything about it enti this is not something we promote. Se wo pe wo yie se wo pe wani jo pe se wani je ye complete starting wo say na ye free bibi privacy bibi wo ye friend of privacy if you are looking at us na se wo ni bibi a friend of privacy then me person me catch you say your life no e da danger mu your life is at risk.
Oba me se me fa wen kan say aso ye bibi o trend mu a ye pre-wedding shoot obi be wale aje oni ni kunu oni obema na oba no obema no mbe wa na aje om ko twa pictures betu dia say save the date that way ni be ware na no mo dia to ho eno so wo bad consequences
pa we see another broad issue cram pa no cram say
me ni be twem keke me ti an be
eno na make no see dealing on another side bet me take it 2 hours for talking about it. So what we do? Afe omo wari we are they can't give birth. Obi be wari 2 months per na divorce. What causes that? Because of all this foolishness. Sorry to say. All this foolishness. So it's time that the generation have to learn and stick to what is right. Since you're living our life waywardly without thinking twice. Pre-wedding now or bridal
shower. Na pre-wedding na ebi a baby shower say need to be my baby shower.
A whole lot baby bam.
I know the picture.
A whole lot. She aware na wo ko ware na nkasa na nye obi ani Jesu. O best friend or ya o bridal e ne kra no. Ebi o ya be ma no no admire wo kru na ko ware no no. Na wasa conference and be ya be fo bi wo mu a na that night na mo yes I did not set confusion. When him say me so many stories I may read your graphic one. Oba ni ko ware the next day no wuye. Obi wo that day na no wuye. Obi won so ko ware no be ma ni say enyamba. So what causes that?
That's why they see ebi crazy that are plans na trend way ever. Yet a story nyama e wo that say ebi wo oba ko awo so a obeba no enya ne ba. Ansa na trend wey crambo obi tumi kwa awo so no ono ne ba nia o ma chiro mo nkwa. Enti what makes difference na woman say every way na picture na bemu na aye di fofra na say dey na wo pese wonka.
Enu wo ho.
Okay.
And me kase awo no eye enkwa.
Any
owu ntema de. Enti wo sonso wo ho. Wo bo wa wo ho ban.
Okay.
Na wo ma wo wani ada wo ho so. Na bribia wani bra wo so. Na se wunya mi se on kora wo. Na onu se be ma oba be fa ye fu na oba wo ne 9th month. Enti on boa wo. Na wo fa wo fa oba. Na enu echi no, wo wani je bia wo ni obi be cha. Wo ni obi ache. Ena sa awosu ni owo no. Ye nipa it can happen obi on nyimokron so ne ho on fa ba social media. But area what on ni obi akwesitire. Odidi basa. Onu monsa. So so many things they can do to complicate omo issue, omo case no.
Okay.
There are so many ways. Say unyim na onu monsa. Unya oba no. So what? But topic when you was something I'm basing on this. It is so many things now are painful no. Omu to me ye, Emma omu sure omu any omuba. And this one is another side of it.
I rose some pa, by way come out and say, now can the break a baby the near Jacram put over the woba, what to need cry rain. Why any the preparation was she said that.
I say you don't know tomorrow. Until life no live ya live you when you're saying.
Live on Yansim. Ebusia for ye jina this side notes so e dia ma ebusia for adofo a wo ma hye ma de hye no eye Yako RIP omo resti ya ba no resti in peace. Na me kan sa no betimi e de wo comment e fa nkomo ya twetwe e wa ha se no e de atudwa e wo tuma GH comment section one ebiem so no bomodi a share video we ma adofo no obi bia no so entimi enhwe bi no nya emu aba. Follow yen ewe your IG page at @tumagh_. Na ebiem so se wo eye dwumadie bi anase dwedie bi a wo pese wo mbo hu dewro ewe ye fidie so a sesi ade ya makwan akonya beda ho obetimi afa number da se ono afre na ofre so hye ne kakra bi pe wo pese wo sponsor so a obefa number ya so na wa afre na no so e no betena se fefe ne aka no tete bi na ensem na timi ayeye e de amayem ahanam di besi enede medide na ama owusu amene oba mercy enene yesi nkonya edi nkomo na me adoma besan edi enhwemu bi makram
Fitia ni asese ni din and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bi a ma change afro and ma ba too much GH. Shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.